This one. Scale factor of 1/3. And now they use the word reduction. So just now was times, right?
Yes.
Now will be?
Divide.
But divide by how many?
1/3.
Now you think about it carefully. Is the word play here? Divide by 3 is actually the same as?
Divide by 3.
Okay, look at fractions. This one you learn since primary school. Something divided by 3 over 1, isn't it the same as times 1 over 3?
Oh, yes, yes.
I say one more time. I use another example. Something divided by 4, for example. Isn't it the same as something times 1/4? So, by saying reduction of 1/3 is the same as I'm saying I'm dividing by 3. So, all my boxes I will just keep on dividing by 3, not minus. Be careful. Okay? So now I will do the same thing. Now here, this corner here, guys. Go down to this corner. Originally, it is 3 here and 3 here. Can you see this? So now divide by 3.
1.
So where will I end up?
There. Small.
Can you see that? I'll just be here, one box across, one box below.
Sir, you think if you put inside this like overlap, right? You think we will get minus mark?
No.
Sure.
Sure.
You done that in A level?
Hmm?
Have you done that in your A levels?
I never take N levels.
Oh, O level. O level. I meant
Don't worry, it's fine. Okay? Don't worry. Next. Down here to this one on top.
Divide by 3.
Across is 3. Going up is by how many?
I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I lost count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6,
6.
6 divided by 3.
So 6 divided by 3? 2. So 1 and 3 here only. Can you see this?
Yes.
So hence actually we already have the shape. It's a triangle, right?
Yes.
So my new triangle is here, here,
There.
and here.
Wow.
Is this a reduction of 3 like that?
Yes.
It is.
Yeah.
Okay?
Can.